Good morning, students. Welcome back to your English class. I'm sure everything's going well. Students, today we are going to start with another topic of your grammar, which is prepositions. Okay, so prepositions are also known as position words, as the name suggests. As the name only suggests, prepositions. That means pre. Pre means before. Okay, and preposition means जो पहले आते हो, right? Prepositions. Okay, so now let's see what actually are prepositions. A preposition is a word that joins nouns, pronouns, or phrases to other words in a sentence. Okay, so it joins nouns, pronouns, and other phrases to other words in the sentence. And what does it show? It shows the relationship of those words with other words in a sentence. Okay, so it is basically used to show the relationship between the different words present in the sentence. Okay, and it usually comes before a noun, not directly before a noun. There may be determiners or adjectives between them. As I have told you, it's preposition. Pre means pehle aane wala, right? So preposition usually it comes before a noun. Okay, but maybe some adjectives may be present in between, but basically it comes before a noun. Like we met in the arts class. We met in the arts class. Okay, so in this, in is the preposition. It is telling us the relation of some words present in the sentence with other words in the sentence. So it's showing the relationship between the words. So in is the preposition here. Now let's know about the different types of prepositions. Okay, basically students, two important types of prepositions are there, which we are going to see. First one is simple prepositions. Basically simple prepositions are students single word or one word prepositions, जो one word prepositions होती हैं, right? You can see the examples in, on, at, by, from, about, over, under, and number of. Okay, so single word prepositions are simple prepositions. Okay, now the next kind is complex or phrase prepositions. As the word only suggests, complex. Complex means which is very complicated. Okay, so when a group of words does the work of a single prepositions, basically prepositions that consist of more than one word are complex prepositions. जो prepositions में more than one word होते हैं, those prepositions are complex prepositions. Some of the examples are along with, according to, apart from, because of, etc. Okay, these are the prepositions which are having more than one word. Okay, as like along with, so you are having two words, along and with. Okay, so complex prepositions are the prepositions which are having more than one word, and simple prepositions consist of only one word. Okay, these are the two parts. Okay, now let's see that prepositions are of varied meanings, number of meanings, and they serve different purpose. उनका different purpose भी होता है. And according to that, we are having two kinds of prepositions, which are prepositions of place and prepositions of time. Okay, so first of all, let's see what do we mean by prepositions of place. Okay, as the name only suggests, जैसे कि आपको name से ही पता चल रहा है, prepositions of place. These tell us where something is. Place बताते हैं. These tell us where something is. Some prepositions of place are above, below, under, beside, over, near, in front of, around. All these words in green are telling us place. Okay, there is a fence around the garden. Place of the fence is described. Okay, so it's preposition of place. And the next kind is preposition of time. Preposition of time, obviously as the name suggests, preposition of time tell us when. Okay, कब हुआ है कोई काम, right? Preposition of time are like on, in, at, till, during. Okay, so students, one important point is there. When we refer to exact time, okay, like if someone if someone says that you have to reach school in time, okay, and here in time means time से पहले. Okay, like if you have to reach at 8, right? So if someone says that you have to reach in time, that means before 8. And if someone says that you have to reach on time, that means you have to reach at 8. That means 8 o'clock ही आना है. In time means before time, and at or on means at that time only. Okay, so prepositions of time tell us when. Like some of the examples you can say, like at 8 o'clock, at night, at Diwali. Okay, so and in January, in winter, on Saturday. These all are telling us time. Okay, so these are the prepositions of time which tell us when, कि कब हुआ है कोई work. Got it, everyone? Students, there is an important rule also, that three prepositions are there which are used as preposition of place also and preposition of time also, right? And which are these three prepositions? In, on and at. Okay, ये ऐसी three prepositions हैं जो आप as prepositions of time भी use कर सकते हो and place भी use होती हैं, right? So these are used as both prepositions of time also and preposition of place also, right? Let's see this through some examples. First of all, let's see, like if I say at the bus stop. So here at refers to place, bus stop पे. And if I say at 4 o'clock, that means we are talking about time. But in both these phrases, at is used. Okay, but एक as time use हो रहा है and other one is being used as place. Okay, let's say in the car. So here in the car means preposition of place. And in winters means time. Okay, so did you see that both of them are used as different, as one is used as a preposition of place, other one as time. In the same way, on the table. So on the table is referring to place, on the table, है ना? And on the other side, if I say on Saturday. So on Saturday, what do you mean by on Saturday? We are talking about time. Okay, so did you see that these three prepositions, which are the three prepositions? In, on and at. These three prepositions are used as both preposition of place also and preposition of time also. Okay, students? So now students, let's quickly revise. Preposition, it's a word or it may be a group of word which is used before a noun. आप noun से पहले उसे use करते हो. Okay, it may show a place, position or time. Okay, and we have seen the types, like there are simple prepositions and complex prepositions. Which are the simple prepositions? Prepositions which are what? One word prepositions. Okay, like in, on, off, with, number of prepositions are there which are simple prepositions because they are one word prepositions. Okay, and next is complex prepositions. And which are complex prepositions? Prepositions which consist of more than one word. Okay, जिसमें one word से ज़्यादा words होते हैं, right? Like because of, out of, into, along with. All these are complex because they are having more than one word in them. In the same way, according to the purpose, we have seen two different kinds of prepositions, which are preposition of place and preposition of time. Okay, preposition of place tells us where and preposition of time when. Okay, preposition of place, some of the examples like you are having at, in, or, and number of examples. Okay, so I have told you one rule also, that at, in and or, these three prepositions can be used as preposition of place also. A place कब दिखाएंगे? When they are referring to a place. Okay, जब वो place के बारे में बता रहे हो, like in the car, okay, in Canada, in the bedroom. Okay, all these things are telling us place. And if we talk about preposition of time, in winter, okay, in March, all these things are telling us time. Time के बारे में बता रहे हैं. So that's why in is used as preposition of time. Okay, students. So these are preposition of time and preposition of place. Okay, so this is all we have seen in this chapter. That's all your chapter is about. So we have seen the definition of preposition, preposition of time and place, simple and complex prepositions. Okay, go through these examples from your book, students. Go through the chapter. Okay, we'll discuss it in our live class. Okay, so see you all. Take care, students. See you all in your next class. Till then, just take care. Thank you so much, and don't forget to try the exercises from your book. Okay, take care.